Who is Kublai Khan? Kublai Khan is Genghis Khan's grandson and founder of the Yuan dynasty. What is Kublai Khan known for? Kublai Khan is known for being the first Mongol to rule over the entire country. Where did Kublai Khan rule? Kublai Khan ruled in parts of Mongolia, China, and Korea. When did Kublai Khan rule? Kublai Khan ruled from 1260 CE to 1294 CE. Why is Kublai Khan important? Kublai Khan is important because he helped expand the Mongol territory by administrating a fair and civil government and was the first emperor of the Yuan dynasty. How did Kublai Khan die? Kublai Khan drank and ate in excess, causing him to be obese, which led to gout, which caused him to die at the age of 79. The causes and effect of Kublai Khan. The causes are creation of the Yuan dynasty and invasion of China, which failed. And the effects are the reforming of China's political system and the development of Chinese literature and architectural style.